One of the biggest highlights of the iPhone 16 series is the brighter and more capable display. Whether you want to stream videos, play your favorite battle royale games, or edit your Instagram reels on the go, the OLED display has got you fully covered. To ensure that the display remains protected and away from the accidental damage, make sure to shield it with a high-quality screen defender. To help you find out the right one with ease, I have rounded up the 5 best tempered glass screen protectors designed for the iPhone 16 series. That said, let's get started. First off, I would like to talk about Fairy Linso's scratch-resistant screen guard. Fairy Linso has long been a noted accessory maker who never fails to produce a durable screen guard for the new iPhones. Therefore, Fairy Linso screen guard can be entrusted to be a long-lasting screen defender for your iPhone 16 series. Apart from boasting the scratch-resistant tempered glass material, the screen defender provides the high-definition clarity and also manages to keep the villains like sweat, dust and smudge at a fair distance. Couple that with the 3-pack camera lens protectors and it becomes a bit hard to ignore Fairy Linso's offering. Next up, I would like to take your attention to the ESR Shatterproof Screen Guard. When it comes to providing the uncompromised safeguard from scratch and impact, this offering from ESR is up to the task. The screen guard is completely bubble-free and delivers high transparency to let you get the most out of the expensive OLED display. Moreover, it's also got the knack for thwarting things like sweat, oil, and fingerprint, which go a long way in keeping both the clarity and smoothness intact. Next up, it's time to highlight Jag Extra. Claiming to be the strongest screen defender for the iPhone 16 series in the market, Jag Extra deserves a serious consideration. While I won't dig into the deep of the tall claim, I must say that the screen guard has got everything covered to be a trusted bet. Whereas the impact-resistant material with the industry hardness strengthens the durability, the incorporation of the oleophobic and the hydrophobic coating helps it prevent oil and dust. And now it's time to highlight the Spigen Glass Tier Easy Fit. If you're willing to go for a full-on protection, why not choose this offering from Spigen? Notably, the screen guard has been carved out of the aluminum silicate tempered glass, which helps deliver maximum light transmittance. The knack for offering responsive touch sensitivity ensures that touch gestures work with the desired smoothness. Even in the protection aspect, Spigen tempered glass screen protector is up to the mark. And finally, I would like to take your attention to Taurus Glasgow X. This offering from Taurus is a complete screen guard. Be it enduring impact, throttling scuffs, or taking on fingerprints, it's got the tools to be a good screen defender for all seasons. The biggest selling point of the screen guard is the military-grade aerospace glass that helps it withstand up to 12 feet of drops, which is a huge plus. What's more, the edge-to-edge design with the precise dimensions not only facilitates full coverage but also supports any type of cases. And that's all there is to it. So these are the best tempered glass screen protectors for the brand new iPhone 16 series. Hopefully you have found my picks up to the mark. Now that you have known my picks, it's time to share your favorites, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy roundups. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.